Big news coming from Samsung that you definitely don't want to miss, especially about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and its big launch event. Mark your calendars because Galaxy Unpacked 2025 is confirmed for January 22nd in San Jose, California. You'll be able to watch it on Samsung's newsroom, their website, or even on YouTube. Pre-orders for the S25 series will begin on January 24th, just a couple of days after the Unpacked event. The pre-order period lasts until February 4th, and by reserving your spot, you can earn a $50 credit, no payment or financial information required. Plus, there's a chance to win a $5,000 prize and the phones will officially hit the shelves on February 7th. So, let's get into everything we know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the rest of the S25 series. Starting with the build, the S25 Ultra is equipped with second-generation Gorilla Glass armor. This glass has an anti-reflective coating, meaning you won't have annoying reflections. You'll also get a 3000 nit peak brightness, a significant increase from the 2600 nit. Now, you probably want to know, how fast is it? Well, with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, you'll see a single-core performance boost of 34%, and multi-core performance will be 40% faster. To put this into perspective, this makes the S25 Ultra faster than the iPhone 16 Pro Max in many areas. Alongside the better performance, we also have the all-new One UI 7 coming with the S25 series. One UI 7 will come packed with AI-driven features to make the whole user experience faster and more intuitive. The S25 Ultra bezels are going to be ultra-slim, making your display look even more immersive. And instead of the boxy edges you might expect, you'll see rounded corners. You're also going to love the cameras. They're getting black rings around the lenses, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Rumors suggest that Samsung is working on a new 500MP camera sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While it's not confirmed, the fact that they're developing it means we're going to see some next-level photography on this phone. Wireless charging speeds are jumping from 15 watts to 25 watts. One thing to note is that you might need special ring cases for this to work if the phone doesn't have built-in magnets. It's not 100% clear if the S25 Ultra will come with those magnets, but there's a good chance it could work with MagSafe-like accessories. Let's talk about the price now. The Galaxy S25 series will start at 12GB of RAM. The base Galaxy S25 with 512GB storage is expected to cost around €1,079, while the S25 Ultra with 512GB should be about €1,570. It's similar pricing to the S24 Ultra but with a lot more power and cool new features. So, to sum it up, we're getting major performance upgrades and cutting-edge features. If you're in the market for a flagship phone, this is one to consider. Just remember, pre-orders kick off on January 24th, so make sure to reserve your spot before it's too late. Let me know what you think in the comments, hit that like button if you're excited, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.